Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Node.js on your Ubuntu system. So for that, first of all, open your browser and type Node.js. Now click on the first link. Now click on download. Now from here, this is the important step. From here, just select the Node.js current latest version, okay, and everything is set default. Now here you can see these are the commands. So click on copy to clipboard, or you just manually select this and click on copy. Now from here, open your terminal, and from here just paste the command by this and hit enter. Okay, it shows me some type of error. Let's click on copy to clipboard and again go to your terminal, clear the screen and just paste the command and hit enter. Okay, it shows me some error, just wait. Download and install npm. Okay, let's try by sudo apt install curl, hit enter. Provide your super user password, hit enter. Okay, so curl is installing. Now again paste the command and hit enter. Now as you can see, it started downloading all the tools. So the package was actually showing error because in your Ubuntu system curl was not default install. As you can see, it's successfully installed. Now clear the terminal, and if I type node --version, you can see the node version is this. Now if I type node and hit enter, you can see this is the node terminal. And if I type console.log and happy node.js tuto, and if I hit enter, you can see this shows me the output. It's mean that Node.js is successfully installed in our system. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will show you in the next time.